Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So we're still looking at the existing and unchanged wave pattern. The price has actually overnight basically formed that one more high that I wanted to see. Talked about it in the last video yesterday, late yesterday, in which we looked at the micro count, the micro pattern and structure from the Wednesday, the 1st of May low. So we have seen this rally as a possible diagonal pattern. 5 waves up are visible now on the chart, which is great to see. And it also reached that 1.618 extension level that I shared with you at $3,220. And yeah, that's precisely one of the key levels on the micro, like the first level I wanted to see for that 5th wave. Doesn't mean the 5th wave needs to be completed, but it tells us, okay, we have 5 waves up now. Surely the 5th wave could extend, but the minimum for that 5th wave is done. Next resistances, if we form another high above today's, would be 3,256 and 3,300. That would also be a key resistance area because we have these previous highs to fight with. The idea is that we could still be caught in this ongoing correction, which started middle of March. We have a WXY structure to the downside. The Y wave could get one more low. It's not guaranteed. There's a little bit of uncertainty due to these swing lows and not a very clean bottoming structure. I know on some exchanges we have a lower low, so the situation is rather unclear. Regardless, it takes a 1-2 setup to the upside to confirm we've bottomed, so it doesn't really matter if we've got a lower low on some charts or not. Sometimes people ask me if my scenario or assumptions would change if I looked at a different chart, like where we already had a lower low, okay? Well, it might give us a bit of a cleaner downward structure. However, it regardless still needs a 1-2 setup to the upside to confirm. It might change the level of confidence a little bit, but there is no confidence because we have a bit of a Wild West situation in crypto. And like, look, if it's on one chart like this, on the other chart like that, you can't really trust it. It's not reliable. So we have to wait for that first 1-2 setup, highlighted here in yellow, to confirm that we've bottomed on Wednesday or maybe even here on the 13th of April, but I would probably call it a truncation and call the low in place here, okay? But I need that 5 up, 3 down movement. So let's go to the 1 hour chart. Here you can see this 5-wave pattern that I showed you in the last video as a diagonal pattern. That 5th wave could be an ABC structure, but it could also turn into a larger ABC, so ABC. Therefore, it takes a break below the Sunday low here at 3,075 pretty much to confirm that we've topped. And then I'd be watching for the price to get into this support region, which I have adjusted earlier today, already communicated the updated levels on Discord. And here we're looking at support between 3,060 possibly and 2,900, which means 2,900 is the line in the sand distinguishing between bullish and bearish momentum. In the short-term bullish count, we would get a pullback at some point into this support area. Okay, if we extend further, I have to adjust it. I would do that later today then. The support area until we have really until it takes out a previous swing low. It hasn't even taken out the 3,127 level. So until we take out a previous swing low, we have no indication a pullback has started, but it's likely from here, okay? But I have to say that the 1.618 extension, which was reached there at 3,220, really is only the minimum I want to see for a 5th wave. So it could easily stretch higher before starting that pullback. And if the pullback is corrective, and if we're holding support, then I would assume that we've bottomed. And that would require the price to stabilize in the orange micro support area. Now, what if we break below 2,900? What if we break below that micro support area? Well, then I would assume that we've topped here in the B wave and that we're coming down for one more low in wave C, possibly targeting 2,600 or so. But it takes a break below 2,900 to confirm that. For me, I mean, the trend is still down overall, okay? And it takes that higher low to confirm that we've bottomed, all right? So it's building probabilities as we go, and the parameters are there to guide us. It's not a crystal ball, but it gives us a really good framework to basically trade with and also to analyze the price chart, and stay objective, because the Fibonacci levels, they give us that objective framework and we can watch, the most important one is the 2,900 level, but as I said, that will change. If the price pushes a little bit higher, we would have to adjust that support level. That's my update about Ether. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit a like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.